The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. What is soil? It's a thin layer of grainy substance that is covering the surface of the earth, that is called soil. The earth surface that is covered by this soil, it is closely linked to land. You know that the landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, that determine the type of soil. If it is in the mountain, that is mountainous soil. So soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. The soil become fertile if it contain minerals and organic matter. This soil is formed due to weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the breaking up of decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants and animals and human activity. Weathering that goes. Due to weathering only this soil is formed. The top soil is mixed with humus and vegetation. What is humus? The dry leaves that fall on the soil and it mixed with that soil and forms this humus. And vegetation. What is vegetation? These plants, all these plants we can call it as vegetation. So it contains plants as well as this humus. That is the top soil. Then next this subsoil is there with the sand, silt and clay. It contains sand, silt and clay. Then you know that weathered rock is there. Weathered rock material is there. At last you can see that is parent rock. That is deep inside you can see the parent rock. Just above the parent rock you can see weathered rock material. Then you can see subsoil with the sand and silt and clay. Then the top layer, that is the top soil with the humus and vegetation. Next we want to study about factors of soil formation. You know, dear children, do you know it takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. To form 1 centimeter of soil, it takes hundreds of years. Look, so that our soil is formed due to hundreds and hundreds of years. Factors of soil formation. The major factors of soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and climatic factors. Other factors are the topography, role of organic material and a time taken for the composition of soil formation. All these differ from place to place. From place to place, from landforms, it may be different. The soil may be different. When we collect the soil profile, you can see that different types of soil are there. Some soil is very fertile, some soil is not much fertile.